Hey there, Crypto Dishes family. Welcome back to the channel where we serve you the freshest, sharpest updates in the world of digital finance. Get a look here. A famous market commentator advises investors not to fret about buying XRP late and to resist the urge to sell too early, as the token's best days lie ahead. And today, all eyes are on XRP. Because this past week, XRP didn't just rise, it surged. We're talking about a breakout move that got the entire crypto community buzzing. Let's dive right into it. XRP skyrocketed earlier this week, hitting a multi-year high of $3.65 on July 18th. That's a price level we haven't seen in a long time, and it caught many by surprise. So what's driving this impressive rally? Well, it's not just one thing. It's a powerful mix. The U.S. House passed 3 major crypto bills, signaling regulatory clarity is finally around the corner. And there are loud rumors circling about an imminent resolution to the long-running legal war between Ripple and the SEC. Together, these developments have reignited serious confidence in XRP. Now, yes, there was a bit of a correction after that explosive move. But guess what? XRP is still holding above the $3 mark as we speak. That's not a weak retrace. That's stability, and it's keeping bullish sentiment very much alive. But not everyone's feeling the same excitement. This rally has actually sparked mixed reactions within the XRP community. Let's talk about what the community's saying. Take Six8Jay, for example. He argues that this recent price jump has made it harder for retail investors to accumulate meaningful amounts of XRP. For those who've been dollar cost averaging at lower prices, it's a win. But for new entrants, buying in now feels like you've already missed the boat. But not everyone sees it that way. In fact, crypto influencer JackTheRippler is calling it loud and clear. XRP still has room to run. Even above $3, he believes the gains we've seen so far are just the warm-up. Here's where it gets really interesting. If the SEC goes ahead and approves the 11 spot-based XRP ETFs, we could be looking at a price explosion. No exaggeration. Why? Because ETFs are like magnets for institutional capital. They make it easier for traditional finance to get exposure. That means more liquidity, more trust, and potentially a new wave of demand that could push XRP even higher. But let's address the big question every trader asks at this point. Is it time to sell? JackTheRippler says no. In his words, and I quote, "It's always too early to sell XRP." Why? Because too many investors have a habit of locking in profits too soon, only to watch the asset they believed in keep climbing. And if you need a real-world example, just ask Dave Portnoy, the American entrepreneur and media personality. He sold his XRP stash just 2 weeks ago, based on a friend's recommendation. The result? He missed out on a whopping 60% gain. That's over $1 million left on the table, because he pulled out too early. Shortly after he sold, XRP launched itself to $3.65. Ouch. So JackTheRippler's message is clear. Yes, XRP has rallied massively, but that doesn't mean its run is over. In fact, it might just be getting started. Don't let the current price trick you into thinking XRP is too expensive. That mindset could be the exact thing that causes you to miss the next big wave. As we record this video, XRP is changing hands at $3.47, still up nearly 24% over the past week and an incredible 59% over the past month. This isn't just a breakout. It's a signal that XRP is moving beyond courtrooms and into real-world momentum. That's all for today's update, folks. If you're new to XRP, do your research. And if you're already in, stay informed, stay patient, and most importantly, don't let fear or FOMO dictate your strategy. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell for more updates. Just like this. And tell me in the comments, what's your target price for XRP in 2025? This is Crypto Dishes, and I'll catch you on the next one. Stay sharp, stay ahead.